Hello, in this video I will show you the location and the wiring diagram for the turbocharger boost pressure sensor on Audi A4 and A5 B8 with a 2.7 TDI and 3-liter TDI engines. The turbocharger temperature sensor is incorporated into the turbocharger pressure sensor. First I'm going to show you the wiring diagram for this pressure sensor, and then I'll show it to you the location of it on the car. In the service manual, I'm going to select the car, select the engine, and then show you the wiring diagram and the component location. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. First I'll show you what the turbocharger boost pressure sensor looks like, and now we'll see where it is located on the engine. It's number 26 and 27. It's located right there underneath there's an air intake hose, and it's located underneath it on another intake hose. Next I'll show you the wiring diagram for the turbocharger boost pressure sensor. We can see the pressure sensor is located right there, illuminated in blue, B105. It has 4 wires. 4 of them are going directly into the engine control module. The blue and violet wire is shared by a couple of other sensors, and it's going into the engine control module. The 2 wires on this sensor are for the temperature sensor, and the other 2 are for the boost pressure sensor. Now I'll show you the location of the turbocharger boost pressure sensor on the car. The sensor is located down there underneath this air intake hose. You can't see it very clearly, but if you remove this air intake hose, you'll see it. It will be very clear. It's attached to the other intake hose, to the turbocharger hose. We can't really see that much, but again, if you remove this air intake hose, you have clear access to it. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.